it is my Japanese lesson today, and the topic is like small tsu. When does small tsu appear in word? I have received the question from my viewers. When like Japanese word sounds change into small tsu, do you have any rule, Nako-sensei? And I was like, like I'm native Japanese speaker, but I don't know the rules. I think even native Japanese speaker, they don't know. So that's why today I am going to do this Japanese lesson. Before the lesson, memorizing word pronunciation is much easier. I was looking up the rules for small tsu, and it's kind of a bit complicated. So if I were Japanese language learner, I prefer memorizing vocabulary pronunciation because this rules is really complicated. But if you are learning Japanese now and I am curious this rule, I will be happy if you could enjoy this lesson today. Today I have 5 rules and a little bit exception. It depends on the pattern, small tsu or not. The first, what is sokuonka? Today's topic is this. So sokuonka refers to the phenomenon where a sound in a word changes into a small tsu to make pronunciation easier. The small tsu itself is called sokuon. So when I express small tsu, I always say this is the small tsu, right? Because it's easy to understand for you guys. But like small tsu has a name, and this name is sokuon. Example, this cat is washing their hand. It's soap. Soap in Japanese is seken, and seki and ken are connect and make one word. It's soap. But it's not a sekiken. This ki will be changed into small tsu. So soap is not a sekiken. It's seken. Because when you say sekiken, kike, it's a bit like difficult to say. So seken is much easier to pronounce. So this is one example. So today I will introduce you guys a lot of example words. So it's written sekiken, but pronunciation seken, right, sensei? This is incorrect. So when you wanna say and when you wanna write soap in Japanese, seken, this is correct. Writing and speaking are the same. Only small tsu, this is correct. This is seken, which means soap. So small tsu is silent molar. So second molar will be silent. So silent. Seken, seken. Not setsken, not seken. It's seken. So molar is kind of like a syllable. Yes. So onsetsu desu ne. In Japanese, it is called onsetsu. So like sound. How many sound? It's 4 sound. Setsuken. But second sound is silent. Seken. And the rules of sokuonka differ for kango and wago. Before rules, what is wago and what is kango? Wago is kun ratings word. So words that originally existed in the Japanese language. Wa means Japan, Japanese. On the other hand, kango, words from classical Chinese, and kango is in own readings. Yes, because long time ago, like Japanese kanji came from China, and today we have Japanese original readings plus classical Chinese reading. And kan means Chinese. Wago in kun reading. Kango is in own reading. But anyway, today's topic is Japanese language and kun reading wago and on reading kango. And the rules of sokuonka is small tsu appear, differ for kango and wago. And first, I will go wago. The rule number 1, sokuonka in wago kun readings. When go down verbs, group 1 verbs, ending in u, tsu, or ru in their dictionary form turn into the te form. Alright, first I need to explain about verb grouping. So we have 3 groups in Japanese verbs. Yeah, group 1, group 2, and group 3. And group 1 is called godan verbs, and group 2 called ichidan verb, and group 3 is called irregular verb. And today we use group 1. The final sound is ru or u. If the last sound is not ru, ru, 100% group 1 verb. So please make te form. So to buy, kau, kau dictionary form. A form is katte. Wow, small 2 appears here. So group 1 verb, when the last sound is u, tsu, or ru, is small 2 plus te. Kau, katte, motsu, motte, hashiru, hashitte. Sokuonka in wago, cool readings. But I know it's just a rule and we have to memorize. So group 1 verb, godan verb, and the last sound is u, tsu, or ru. Small 2. Yes, memorize. Remember? 次. Sokuonka in wago, kun readings. Rule number 2. When the final sound of the first verb in a compound verb is I, ki, chi, chi, or ri. But in this case, these forms are commonly used in spoken language and can sound stronger or a slightly rough. Before example, what is compound verb? A verb consisting of 2 or more independent words, like word basis. I think it's a bit difficult explanation, so example. There are 5 compound verbs. Chase, blow on play, deduct, smash destroy, kick away. Chase in Japanese is oikakeru. Oikakeru. Actually, there are 2 verbs. It's oi and kakeru. Ou plus kakeru. Put together. Ou kakeru. But when you make compound verb, the first verb should be masu stem. So if you don't know what masu stem is, like verb masu form without masu. Masu form is a polite expression, conjugation of the verb. So ou should change to oi. So oi, oikakeru. Yes, this is a compound verb. So first verb should be masu stem, and second verb is just dictionary form, so no conjugation. Only first verb should be masu stem. Oi. This is I, right? Oi. Oh, last sound is I. So it will be changed into small 2. Okkakeru. And what's the difference between oikakeru and okkakeru? Oikakeru is a general expression. Okkakeru is slightly rough and spoken language expression. It depends on the compound verb, like only sokuonka version is correct. But today, these 5 compound verbs are both correct. And second one, fukikakeru. Fukikakeru. It's also fuki and kakeru. Fukikakeru. This is also fuki. This is a masu stem of fuku. Fuku is a dictionary form and which means to blow. Fukikakeru is blow on or spray. And ki, fuki, oh, this is the last one is ki. So, change into small 2, fukkakeru. じゃあ、これも一応こうしとこうか。吹き。And 刺し、ぶち、and 蹴り。These are masu stem. And the third one, 刺し引く、deduct. The third one, 刺し。This is also masu stem. Yes, of 刺す。 But last sound of the first verb is shi, right? Sashi, shi. Oh, so it will be changed into small tsu. Sahiku. Oh, but no, it's sapiku. Yes, guys, this is tricky rule. Small tsu following by ha column, H column. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. It will be changed into a handakuten sound. Handakuten sound is P column. So this is left side is H column. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. And small circle top right side like this. So if you can see small circle with ha, hi, hu, he, ho, consonant will be changed into P. So ha will be changed into pa. Hi, pi, hu, pu, he, pe, ho, po. So ha, hi, hu, he, ho will be changed into pa, pi, pu, pe, po. And this small circle is called handakuten. Yes, this. So when a small tsu, sokuon, small tsu, is following by a H column sound, it changes into a handakuten sound. Sashihiku will be changed into saphiku, but small tsu and hi is H column, so sapiku. So only sashihiku has P column. But two left verb, compound verb, buchikowasu, smash and destroy. Buchi came from butsu. Butsu means hit someone or hit something. Kowasu is destroy or break something. So hit and break. So it's destroy or smash. Masu stem is buchi. Oh, last sound of masu stem is chi. So it should be changed into small tsu. So bukkowasu. Buchikowasu. This is a general expression. Bukkowasu is like a spoken language. Yes. So smash, destroy. And the last one, keri tobasu, kick away. Kick away. Keri, this is masu stem. So keri masu. Masu form. So dictionary form is keru, to kick. Keru. And tobasu is fly or fly away. So keri tobasu is kick and fly away. So kick away. So and keri, masu stem, the last sound is ri. So it will be changed into small tsu. So ketobasu. Meaning is the same but different expression. Yes, general or casual spoken language. So it was rule number 2. When the final sound of the first verb in a compound verb is I, ki, shi, chi, or ri. sokuonka rule wago is finished. Okay, from now on, I'm gonna teach you guys sokuonka small tsu appear in word in kango on readings word. But before explaining the rules, it's a kanji's on reading consists of 2 moras. The second mora always ends in I, U, Ki, Ku, Shi, Tsu, or N. Kanji in on reading. And if this kanji has 2 moras, second mora always I, U, Ki, Ku, Shi, Tsu, or N. Only 7 pattern. And among these, sokuonka can occur when the word ends in ki, ku, chi, or tsu. I didn't know that is far. So I look up. So there are 7 kanji characters: love, high, tall, expensive, stone, learn, luck, month, moon, and new. And left one is on reading. Right one is kun reading. So first, love on reading is ai. And ko, high, tall, expensive, is on reading ko, u. Stone is seki, koku, shaku, jaku, so ki, ku, ku, ku. Learn is gaku, ku. Luck is kichi or kitsu, so chi and tsu. Yeah, and month and moon is getsu, or gatsu. So tsu, and new is shin. So these pink parts is i, u, ki, ku, chi, tsu. Yeah, only 7 patterns. So this is true. So it's true. So if a kanji's on reading consists of 2 moras, the second mora always ends in i, u, ki, ku, chi, tsu or Guys, please remember kikuchitsu. The word ends in kikuchitsu. And rule number 1. Kanji ending in ki or ku undergo sokuonka before K column sound. Yes, of course I have example. The first one is seki plus kai. Seki plus kai make sekikai. Because first kanji ends with ki, right? Seki. And the second kanji, the first kanji is ka. Character is ka, right? So it's a K column. So it will be changed into small z. So it's not sekikai. It's sekkai, which means line. So like second in example, if would, that's right, yes. The first kanji ends with ki, and the second kanji starts with K column sound, not sekiken, it's sekken. And the second one, teki plus kaku, which means eligibility. Some words allow both readings. Yeah, so you can read this word as tekkaku or tekikaku. Both are fine, and they are the same nuance. So if you want to read this as tekkaku, it's okay. Tekikaku is also okay. There is no difference between tekkaku and tekikaku. Same nuance, same meaning, just different pronunciation. And the third one is koku. Koku kanji means country. Ki kanji means flag. So kokuki. But it's small z, so kokki, which means national flag. Fourth one, yeah, this is also 2 pronunciations. Kaku, which means each. Kai is industry, so kakukai or kakkai, which means various industry. Like as tekikaku or tekkaku, yes, both are fine. Rule number 1. Kanji ending in ki or ku undergo sokuonka before K column sound. I think it's a bit tricky because it depends on the vocabulary. Tekkaku, tekikaku, both okay. Kakkai, kakukai, both okay. But sekkai is correct. Sekikai is incorrect. So it depends on the word. It's a bit different. This is memorizing part. Rule number 2. Sokuonka in kango on readings. Kanji ending in chi or tsu and 10, 10 undergo sokuonka before K, S, T, and H column sounds. Example, the last sound is chi, nichi. Nichi kanji means day or sun. Yeah, a little bit more complicated because there are a lot of patterns. Yeah, right? Nichi. Oh, last sound is chi and ki. Oh, this is K column, ki. So, which means diary. But it's not nichiki, it's nikki. Alright, let me say it again. Remembering these rules is difficult, so memorizing like vocabulary pronunciation is much easier than learning rules, okay? Yeah, I will say this like and again. Yes, and chi or ending with chi and starting with S column su is number of days. Yes, it's day and this is a number. So nisu, number of days. Not nichisu. The third one. Oh, nichi and with T column. Yes, te. So its schedule is nitte, not nichite. 日産自動車の日産も、あ、そうだね。You know, like, do you know Nissan? Yeah, Japanese car blend is also Nichi plus S column 3. But not Nichi-san is Nissan. これ、その通り。This is also 即音化。small つ、日 for daily report, 日 plus H column, ほ 日 kanji means day, and ほ kanji means report. So day report, daily reports, but it's not にほ. Yes, because when small 2 following by H column change into a handakuten sound. So 日報. This is chi plus K, S, T, and H column. Second one is つだね。つ plus K, S, T, H column. 節 plus 書く。K column is not 節書く. It's せっかく. Which means with great effort. And the second one, 節 plus 章. It's 折衝, not 折衝, which means negotiation. And the third one, 節 plus 中. Sorry, it's 書 and 中 are a little bit tricky because they are small yo and small u. But basically, the first consonant is S and C. CH sound consonant in T column. So it's in, which means T column. 節 plus 中 is 折中, which means compromise or confusion. And 節 plus 半 is also 半濁点, so 折半, which means dividing equally. And the next one, 次は10, 10ですね. So 10 means 10. kai, sai, tai, hon are counter words. Yes, so 10 something. So the first one, 10 plus 階. Kai means floor. So 10階, 10th floor. It's not 10階. It's 10階. Small 2. Yes. 10, 10 plus K column, S column, T column, H column, sokuonka. Yes, small 2. So 10 plus 歳. Sai means years old, so 10 years old. 10歳, 10歳, not 10歳. And 10 plus 体. Tai kanji means body. So 10 bodies or 10 statues. Yeah, so when you count statue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, you can use 体. Count the words. And of course, when you count body, it's not 10体. It's 10体. Small 2, silent. And the fourth one, 10, 10 plus 本. 本 means book, but you can use the counter word 本 when you count long object like pencil, tree, hair, so long and thin objects, and bottle sometimes. Yeah, and it's not 10本. It's 10本. Yeah, this is also handakuten sound. Yes. Because following by H column. So this is rule number 2. Kanji ending in chi or tsu. Yeah, in on reading. On reading. And 10, 10. Undergoes sokuonka before K, S, T, and H column sound. Guys, do you have any question so far? This is rule number 3, and this is the last rule. Yay! The last one. sokuonka in kango. On readings. roku, 6, and hyaku, 100. They are in on readings. Undergo sokuonka before K and H column sound. For example, as 10, 10, roku, and hyaku are number. So, kumi, hiki, kai, hun are also counter words. First, roku, 6, and kumi means group. So, 6 groups is not 6 kumi, is 6 kumi. It's K column, ne? And roku, 6 plus hiki. Yes, this is a counter word for small animals. Small animal is like you can cuddle, you can bring with your arms. So, 6 hiki, it's 6 piki. And this is H column, so of course change into a handakuten sound. So not 6 hiki, is 6匹. Small 2 with a he 한濁된, so 피. And 100 is 100. And kai means times. So 100 回 is 100 times. It's not 100回. Because 100 plus k column 100回. And the last one, 100, 100 plus 分, which means minute. So 100 minutes is 100分. Yeah, it's not 100分 and not 100分 because they are F, but F is included in H column. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Yeah, so it's P column, so 100分. So 6 and 100 are special reading. Alright, so what about other numbers? Actually, we have 1, 1, and 8, 8. So, like, it will be changed into small 2. Okay, go back to previous one. So, actually, 1, 1, and 8, 8 are, yeah, apply this rule because 1, chi, kanji ending in chi, and 8, 8 is ending with chi, right? Before sokuonka, before K, S, T, and H column sound. So for example, like ko, counter word ko can be used for small object like candy, apple, cake. So 1 plus ko, but not 1ko, it's 1ko, right? And 8, 8, but not 8ko, it's 8ko. あとは S コロン。じゃあ、歳にしようか、歳。year old. So, 1歳、1 year old. But not 1歳 is 1歳. And 8 years old, 8歳. One body, 1体. Yes, one body, one statue. And 8 bodies, 8 statues, 8体. T column. あとは H. Hon is counter word for long thing object, so 1本. H column, so 半濁点. Yes, 1本. So one thing and long object. あとは8本. ですよ. So 1 and 8 are applied to rule number 2. Guys, do you have any question? Okay, so guys, last 3 slides. We have learned all of rules already, but from now on, with the sokuonka rules, but not the sokuonka. So following sokuonka rules, but it won't be ever to happen. Sokuonka. Yes, but exception is really easy. Easy exception. いきます。No sokuonka in compound words. Guys, not the compound verb, compound words with prefixes and suffixes. Guys, do you know what prefixes and suffixes are? Yeah, so this blue part, 初登場 and 潜伏期. So prefix is, it has a meaning and put at the beginning of the compound word. So compound word in Japanese is like 2 or more independent words compound and make one noun. It's not a verb. It's noun. So for example, 初 means first. 初。これね、初 means first. And this is prefix because it's pre. So before the noun. And 登場。登場 means appearance. And 登場, this is a noun. So 初登場 in sokuonka rule, there is 2. It is 2 and T column. Oh, so by following the rule, it should be 初登場 because it's following sokuonka rule. But it's 初登場. Sokuonka rule in kango on reading. Number 2, kanji ending in chi or tsu, and the reading ju, which means 10. Undergo sokuonka before K, S, T, and H column sound. So hatsu. Right? Then the second one is senpuku. Yes, this is a compound words. Yes, orange color, which means hiding. Senpuku, hiding, plus ki, period or term, which means incubation period for diseases. Senpuku-ki. For example, like when you caught flu, so your flu virus was hiding inside your body for, I don't know, like 3 days or so. Hiding 3. So yes. So 初登場 not 初登場 潜伏期 not 潜伏期 潜伏期 sounds cute though. Yes, and key, period, and term, it's suffixes. Suffix. And one more. Ta-da! Some commonly used words allow both sokuonka and non-sokuonka readings. 例えば, for example, 水族 means aquatic animals. Yes, and kan means building. And it's aquarium by 水族館 or 水族館. Both are okay. Yeah, I prefer 水族館 because easy to pronounce. So same nuance, just different pronunciation. Same nuance, same meaning, which means aquarium, but different sound. So you can choose easier one for you. Guys, which one do you prefer? 水族館 or 水族館? Which one is easier to pronounce? I think it depends on person. It's a different answer. Yeah, but it's okay. Yes, because both allowed. Duolingo told me 水族館, so I remember that. Oh, that's nice. Duolingo-kun, good job. They basically sound the same unless the speaker pronounces kukan very clear. Yeah, but 水族館, this is actually no u sound. So 水族館, 水族館. Yeah, I think native Japanese speakers say 水族館, not 水族館. これはね、多分母音が無声化すると思う。水族館、水族館。A few weeks ago, I did a The Voice vowel sound lesson. Yeah, you can watch my previous Japanese lesson video. And I have another one. This is the last slide. 洗濯 means laundry, and 機 means machine. So, it's washing machine. But you can read this as 洗濯機. But actually, this is also the voice sound. So it's 洗濯機. 洗濯機. Or 洗濯機. Small 2. But I love both. どっちでも大丈夫. Same meaning, same nuance, but just different sound. I always use small 2. It sounds like Kentucky. I know it's a bit complicated. If you would encounter small 2 for the first time, like you were like, what is this? Why is there small 2? Where did small 2 come from? Actually, this is sokuonka. So I hope it helps your Japanese learning. Wow, guys, good job.